Hello viewers, in this tutorial we are going to see the Power BI's drill through feature. After completion of this tutorial, what will be the end product? It will be a report of like this type. We are seeing here a table. Inside this table there is a product ID, product name, the total sales amount, quantity and count of number of orders. Okay, and there are almost 1862 distinct product IDs or distinct products are there. So here in this report we are seeing the summary of each product. Like for this product, the total sale amount was this and total quantity was this, and there was these much orders. And for this, there was 10 orders for this product. So if someone want to see the detail of these individual orders and the breakup of the quantity and sales amount, then there is a facility in Power BI with the name of drill through. So if I right click on this highlighted column, I can see a drill through option, and here is available product sales report. So if I click on this product sale, it will let me to this page, and here I am seeing the title of the same product, and here is 10 total number of orders that were there, and here is the breakup of those orders, and here is the breakup of quantities and breakup of sales. So we can see that this was the product and something like that, and here we can come to here and see the total was this and the quantity was this, and everything is here. And if we go to directly to there by drill through, we can see the information. Likewise, we can go back to the previous page by control click. Okay, so this was the first level of drill through, and there is facility of second level. Like if I go to this product order detail, sales details, then these are the product sale. Like I can see there were 5 orders and quantity was this one and sales was this one, and this was the order ID, but I am still missing the order detail. So I can now even right click on that and can go drill through to find out the order detail, and it will let me to the next page. Here is the order ID in capital or in big font, and here is the detail of the order, and you can format this page by your own way, but here are some information like product ID, name, sales, quantity, quarter, and shipment information, shipment mod, and customer ID and customer name, and there are a lot of information. This is specifically the detail of this order, and I can go back to the previous page from where I was there, and I can go to see the detail of this order as well, and by right clicking this, and it will let me to this one, and I can go back from this and go back from this to this summary page. Okay, now come to the part where we are going to develop this drill through. Here I have created a blank Power BI report where I have imported only one table, which is the order table, and has some fields and has some data as well. Okay, so the first page will be obviously this summary page, and in this summary page I can take the product ID, product name, and the sales amount and the quantity. Okay, and I can make it a little bigger for purpose, and can take the product ID very quickly here, to find out the listing count. See, so these are the product, and I can increase the size for better visibility, or say it 12. Okay, so I will not focus more on formatting because you can do it by your own way. I will here more focus on the drill through functionality demonstration. Okay, so this is a summary where I can see the product name and the total sales amount and the quantity, and one thing is missing, which is the count of total number of orders. So I can take the orders from here and can put it here and can count as a distinct count. Okay, here I can decrease the size of this column, okay, and can increase the size of this or whatever. So I can see the information here, like this product has this much orders and this much orders likewise. So now the time is to create the next page, that is the detail page for the sales, product sale. So move here, create a new page and product sales. Okay, inside the product sales I will again take the product name, but this time I will take this name and change this visual into card and make it more wider, okay, and make it center. And then I will take the details of this products. So take the product ID just for here, just for demonstration that we are seeing the right thing. So this is the product name, and then after that I have to take the customer name, order ID, quantity and sale. I will drop the customer ID from here and order ID, quantity and sales. Okay, you can take more fields like the customer name and likewise. So now this is the detail page, and I can also go back to the summary here. Okay, the idea is we will be coming from this page to this page. So whatever the target page will be or the detail page will be, the drill through filter will be applied on that page. And because we will be coming by the product ID, like I will right click on the product ID and it should show here the page for drill through. So that's why I will use the product ID as a drill through filter on this target page. In this target page, click on any white area and you will see here the drill through card here, and I will take the product ID dropped here. Okay, so now I can test the drill through. Go to the source page and right click anywhere. See, immediately the drill through option is available, and I can go to the product sales and see which product I am going. Let's see, it has the solder or something. Product sale. See, here is the specifically product name appearing here, and let me increase the size for better visibility. And here I am seeing the information, and I can take the number of orders count here to see that how many orders are coming. Distinct count, say 5. There was 5 orders of that product, and exactly we are seeing the 5 here. So this was the first level of drill through, and I can easily go back by clicking this and come with the detail of with any product. Okay, and this was again the same. Let me open for the 10. Okay, these are 10. Now idea is to see the further detail of order ID. To do this, I can similarly create a new page, and here I will order details. I will name order detail, and similarly I will take the order ID in the top with the card to say that specifically we are seeing the detail of this order ID in this page. And I will take further details of this order, like in our demonstration it was this much detail here. So quickly come here and create a multi-row card option or visual, and whatever you like you can drop it to this, like order ID, product ID, product name, and the quantity, sales amount, profit, discount, customer ID, customer name, and then product category, city, country, whatever you like you can easily drop to it as a detail. So there are a lot of information, and as I said, you can format it by your own. Here I am just demonstrating the drill through in this tutorial, and this is a destination page, and we want to come by the order ID to this. So therefore I will apply the order ID as a drill through filter in this page. I will drag the order ID to the drill through card, and now I can go back to the product sales, and here I can right click and can immediately see the order details, and this is the order detail for specifically this order number, right? So I can go back by using this, and then further go back by this, and you can also create a custom button by your own. There is a option available, like you can put an image to this, an image to this report like this one, and can go to actions, can simply select the back option. Okay, now there is a time to publish it to the Power BI online service and you have seen that in the original Power BI report, these two tabs were dimmed. These two detailed or the target for the drill through were dim. So this is a standard way to do this, because when we will publish this to Power BI online, these two will not be visible. Only summary will be visible, and we would be only able to go to these two pages by the drill through option, while in desktop version we are able to see the details of these two. Okay, so now I want to publish this report to the online services. So for this purpose I will click on the sign in, and here I will sign in with my login ID. Okay, successfully logged in. I am able to publish it to my workspace. Before that, it's suggesting to save it, and I can save it with any name. Okay. I will upload it to my default workspace. It's uploading. Successful. Okay. Now I can go to see a uploaded one here. After refreshing, I'm expecting to see the report. Okay. Sample Power BI Drillthrough is available. And see, this is the summary page which is available, and I can't see these two pages that were hidden, and I can easily go from here by right clicking. Okay, right click here, drill through product sale, right, and can go to any of this and can see the detail here. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned with us. Thank you very much.